What's up, guys? Drip Boss here, back with another video. Today we're not playing shadow boxing, we are playing PC Tycoon. Now I've been playing the game for a little bit, got 82 million gold so that I can make a drippy PC for you guys. So yeah, comment down below what PC do you guys want me to make next after we finish building this one. Yeah, I'm doing Gogeta cosplay. It's kind of fire, not the best, but it's alright. I'm trying to get the hair and the face so I can be full Gogeta. So if you guys want me to reach my goal, you do please donate or something. If you guys see me, just donate like 3. I don't want a lot because donating a lot is just kind of weird. Like, why even donate? But yeah, we're just gonna make a drippy PC, and yeah, that's gonna be the whole video. First, we actually have to go to the store and get all the parts, so that might take a while. And I don't really know which color I'm going to be using. I might just ask the people in the server real quick. Okay, I'm going to ask what color should I do for my PC? Okay, let's see what they say. Oh. I need to. If anybody even says anything, that I'll be good. If nobody says anything, that is just like, why? Please somebody respond. Bo has these are WPCs. Hold up. Is he done building? Or is he just AFK? It looks like he's AFK. Probably doing the name. He's already done. He just needs to get the second house. Is anybody? Why is everybody just chilling, bro? I know he's probably actually building, but I don't know about. Oh, he's actually done. Hold up. We gotta wait for him. And nobody replied though. This actually might take a minute. Bro's rebuilding the same PC, bro. Hold up. Cause bro, where? Bro, this is not a non-active server. Where's he going? Here, right here, right here. Here, I need to talk to him. Let me talk to him. Please answer me, fam. Bro, I don't even know. I might just do. Let's just do Gogeta. What the heck? Hold up. Let me talk to this kid. Please checks back. Oh. Bro, these kids are weird, bro. They don't even know how to type. Let's just do Gogeta's colors. We'll do orange. Nah. We'll do blue, orange. I feel like that looks good. Because, I think this is not really Gogeta. Because Gogeta's, I think, might be white. Yeah, this is, Super Saiyan 4. So, I might have to get the Super Saiyan 4 hair and all that and face. And, GT. But I think I might already have a case and everything. So, let's see. Do I have a case? Edit, no. Do I or do I not have a case? Okay, I do have a case. Do I have another board? I don't know. But we are going to be doing white. Well, now, let's not say white. We'll do red and orange. I know it's not a good color. Actually, red and blue, because that seems more so like Gogeta. Actually, no, red. Yeah, red and blue. We'll go with red and blue. Okay, here, now we need red. This is a very good game. I highly recommended it. It's so underrated. I don't know why, but it's such a good game. Yeah, I hope you guys check out this game. It's actually really good. If you guys are just bored and you have spare time, just play this game. It's kind of good. Okay. I'm so tempted to just do black on this. But it's trash. I don't think this is really Gogeta colors. Let me search up. What are some colors? Let me go to images. Yeah, I say yeah, this is the version that we have though. I say I don't even know personally. Super Saiyan God, this one, I say this one with blue, yeah. Yeah. Now we just need RAM. This right here. Blue. Would you do blue? Because, you know, we need to add a lot more blue. This one. Blue. This one. Blue. This is a very good fun game to play if you guys are bored or something. Highly recommend it because, like, you could grind this game and it's very good to AFK. If you don't want to play it, like, too much time, you don't really have to because you could AFK while you're sleeping, going to school, or, like, literally whatever. Let's just do this graphics card. This is a very cool looking graphics card in my opinion. And then red. Sheesh, I think we should put the case and maybe maybe primary black and have the red, and then the secondary colors would be like, and then the motherboard, the primary color would be white. This is looking more so like Gogeta vibes, right? Bringing more so Gogeta vibes. That we're, you know, what we're trying to do. And then we'll do the second color for this one, blue. There, that's bringing more so Gogeta vibes. And we'll use these fans, and we'll do black, white with black. But white, black. And then there. This should look decent. I wouldn't say it looks the best, but decent. This would be a crazy PC in IRL. Probably. Is that everything? Yeah. And then a W cooler. Let's see. RGB? Nah, we'll just do this one. Right here, and then red. Okay, there. That's trippy. Now we'll just put Gogeta. That's about it, right? Yeah, I think so. There. Now let's put it on the podium. We'll take out that one right there. Take off podium. Put on Gogeta. Place on podium. Now let's see how this thing looks. Sheesh! 10 out of 10 PC right here. Dang, bro. If you guys enjoy this PC building game, like and subscribe and check it out.
It's a solid 3.2.
For real. Anyways, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Drip Balls out.